we're really moving on to wanting to look into some predictive analytics, but being very, very, very careful about how we implement them, as everybody is and should be. One of the things that was that is a current project that's underway is to explore in family cases, so divorce, paternity, custody, those kinds of cases, what we might be able to anticipate which cases would require more resources than your average case. And we know that family cases are exhausting for everyone involved. They are not fun. They require a lot of resources in and of themselves, but there are some that are really require a lot more. And so if we could identify what those cases were early on, maybe information that they provide at filing, what could we do to give them those resources earlier so that maybe it didn't get out of hand? Maybe they were getting the support that they needed all along. Maybe there's more oversight or interventions or, more frequent check-ins to make sure that they are being handled so that in the end, the constituents get more of what they need. The people who are filing the paperwork, they get what they need. And maybe they don't have to come back as often. That's one of the things that we look at as far as the end variable that we're trying to predict is which cases are going to come back a lot of times after there's been a decision made on the case, but maybe they're not happy with it, or maybe it doesn't actually meet their needs, or they didn't consider all of the different things that would happen in their lives over the next 10 years while their children are still growing. And or 15 years or 18 years as their children are getting bigger. And so that's one really exciting opportunity that if we can demonstrate some movement where that's concerned, we might be able to apply that same mentality to other case types and see what other variables might help us to expect which cases need more support at the beginning.